Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to look at how we can manage hypothermia in small babies. You have a scenario that goes: a baby born 3 days ago from home was brought with a history of not breastfeeding. The baby is cold, untouched, and having reduced body movement. On taking vitals, SpO2 turned 89%. and pulse was 140 beats per minute. Then the temperature was 34.5 and the breath was 30 breath per minute. And then the RBS was taken, turned to 4.1 millimole per deciliter. At the same time, weight was also taken at the facilities, and the weight was 1.3. So, question 1. As a nurse, classify the baby and give the reason. Then question 2. How did the baby lose the heat? That's the temperature. And then our last question will be, what are your intervention to correct the low temperature? So we'll start with question 1. That is classification. How do we classify this baby? We'll classify this baby based on the other criteria: weight, temperature, breathing, and examination. But mostly, from the scenario they have given, this is a very sick small baby. The reason being, the weight first of all is 1.3. The normal weight is 2.5 to 4.5 kilograms. So that is my reason number 1. Then the reason number 2, the temperature is 34.5 degrees Celsius. And then the normal temperature for the small babies are 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius. And then the reason number 3, the SpO2 is 89, of which the normal one is from 90 to 1%. And then the number 4, from this scenario, the baby is not breastfeeding, which the normal baby has to breastfeed. And then the other one, the baby is having reduced movement. Let's go to question B, and that says, how did the baby lose the heat or the temperature? We have 4 ways how babies can lose temperature. So number 1, the baby can lose temperature by evaporation. So this is the escape of heat from the baby's skin. And then the baby can lose heat through radiation. That's the second one. And then the baby can lose heat through conduction. In conduction, cold surface, in fact, like contact. If the baby is put on a cold surface, the baby can lose heat. An example is when we are tepid sponging. And then another thing is by convection. Let's see question C. In question C, they said, what are your intervention to correct the low temperature? First, what we are going to do, we are going to warm this baby. How? We're going to cover this baby with a special blanket to provide heat. We are going to put the baby on kangaroo mother care, that is KMC. KMC can provide bonding, easy to feed, whether by breastfeeding or NG tube. And then, if it's not possible, we are going to put this baby on radiant warmer, or we are going to put in incubator. Then number 2, we are going to feed this baby. How are we going to feed this? Now we are going to pass NG tube to this baby. When we have passed this NG tube, we are going to calculate the meals and we give to the baby. Meanwhile, we monitor the tolerance. So take caution, don't overeat the baby, because the radiant warmer incubator, sometimes if as error, can burn the baby's skin. So take care of it. So that is all how we can manage the worm for the baby. It's as simple as that. You eat the baby, you maintain the temperature, then you feed the baby. Now feeding can make the body to get the energy to carry out the other normal activity in the body, and also initiate the development of the ear regulating center to the brain. So that is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.